Welcome, in front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up Settings, from here scroll all the way down to not System, to Storage, tap on your SD card, and you want to tap on the three dots right over here next to Search and select Storage Settings, where you'll find the Format option. So from here, select that option. It will give you a pop-up letting you know that formatting your SD card will result in you removing everything from that card. So if you keep anything that you want to actually preserve on your SD card, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, whatever data you would like to keep will be completely removed and you can't undo it. Now, assuming you have already made a backup of it or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Format SD card. So we'll begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go, it's done now. So click on the done and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.